this event not only reflect a relationship or tie in between the two institutions. This event or this August ceremony represents or indicates the long-standing relationship in between Bangladesh and China, and it expresses a sense of belongingness in between the Chinese people and Bangladeshi people, and in between the two countries, that is China and Bangladesh. On behalf of the government of Bangladesh, I congratulate and heartily thank to the Chinese authority and hospital authority under the leadership of His Excellency the Chinese Ambassador to start such a relationship in our healthcare system by establishing a new surgical clinic here with our pride institution, Bangladesh Medical University, under the able guidance of Dr. F.M. Siddiqui, who is the Vice Chancellor of this great institution. Dear colleagues, I want to draw the kind attention of His Excellency Chinese Ambassador. I understand you always think for us, you thought for us, and you will think for us. I fervently request you, as you have helped a lot immediately after the liberation of this country in 1971, and you have continued your efforts to develop our economy and to extend our public health care up to the last end level of our rural villages. I would request you to help us regarding these medical services, to extend our healthcare services to the mass people of our countries who live in the rural areas. We need your help in this regard for further development. With the growing need of the population in our country, we need, and it is our duty, noble duty, to increase the facilities of the medical education and medical care for our people, to develop the system of treating the people, medical treatment, and etc., for the better health care of our people. We understand your healthcare system is highly developed as compared to other countries of the world. We want to reach at that level. I want to draw your kind attention to one thing. During the time of Corona, our doctors, our nurses, and supporting subordinate staffs, they made a hard labor with full courage to face that pandemic. And I must say, they own the game. Our mortality rate due to Corona was not much higher as compared to the other countries' mortality rate in the world. Successfully, our doctors handled this pandemic. Even in the running situation of measles attack in our country, have been occurred due to the failure of the previous government by making the stock of the vaccine zero. We started our government, today is the 68th days. We didn't have any stock of measles vaccine or other vaccines, but with the help of UNICEF, World Health Organization, Gavi, we have been able to collect plenty of stocks at our hand at the moment, and we started vaccination in 18 districts and 30 upazilas from 5th of this month, running month. And we started vaccination in 4 major cities, Mymensingh, Borishal and Dhaka City North and Dhaka City South. And from last 20th of this month, we have started this vaccination program all over the country under the able guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Tariq Rahman. We want your Excellency, today the thing you have signed in between the two universities is really a development in surgical sector. This will bring a hands-on training for our doctors and a new experience for your doctors. We want to expand this relationship and this belongingness up to the students level. You know, it's a medical college also. We have so many medical colleges in our country. I would request you to increase the exchanges of doctors, to have the hands-on training for our doctors, which will give a new dimension for you doctors only, and to enrich our medical syllabuses, to exchange this with your countries, will increase the level of the knowledge of our students in medical science. I would invite you to think about that matter, to exchange the students in between the medical colleges of our country and your countries. At the end of the speech, I don't want to kill the time because we have to go to the parliament for the session. But I would request you further, on behalf of the government, I must request you to think about the, which I talked to you while I was sitting with you in the chair, to expand your medical facilities like hospital, specialized hospital, in our division level, or even if you can, at a small scale, for our mother and children, women and children in the union Upazila level. I know your women are much taken care of by your medical healthcare system. We want to start, and our government is committed to extend the healthcare system all over the countries. Especially, I would request you to go for a medical system, to establish a medical system here in a small scale, to save our mother during the pregnancy time, during the delivery time, to save them from cesarean, which make the children weaker. I would request you to think about the thing also, because some of your team have also met me some days ago, the last week. They have given me some proposals regarding that thing, to expand the hospital system, establishment of new hospital in specialized sector like liver transplantation, like bone marrow transplantation, and other diseases or surgical site. I thank you very much again to be here for signing this MOU, which will improve our surgical clinic, surgical system here in different operations or different investigations. I would again request you to extend your medical help to our people and to our economy. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.